gets to decide your worth? I want to tell you a story. So one day I had a boss and he called me in for a meeting and he pulled the poster off the wall and he brought the poster within the boardroom. And he said to me, I want you to read this poster. And he read the words to me verbatim. If you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid. He then looked directly at me and told me I wasn't capable of the job I've been hired to do. Not because of the quote, but because of the message behind it. Here's what people often miss about that quote. It's usually used to sound wise, but it's often used to label, to say, you don't belong here. And I was hurt deeply. But I made a decision in that moment. I was not going to let someone else's narrow definition of intelligence define my future. So I showed up against all odds, despite the humiliation and despite the quiet doubts that crept underneath the surface and this whole idea that authority told me that I'm not good enough. Having that damn poster placed in front of my desk, having to look at it every single day as I got into work, I had to change my mindset because every day I felt when I saw that poster, it's a reminder that I'm not good enough and that I don't belong here. And here's the irony. I've been climbing trees my whole damn life. And so, as a fish climbing trees, a few months later, I was recognized as the rising star in that same organization, being a top performer. Now, here's the real question to you. How often do we outsource our confidence to our people's opinions or what people think of us or what they think we can or can't achieve? As women especially, we're told subtly and not so subtly that we're not ready, not technically enough, not the right fit, not ready, not perfect enough. Oh, and then you add classism, tribalism, racism, all the isms, ageism. And belief in you erodes even faster. This is why we are so resilient, because we show up, even with all the odds stacked up against us. What is important is a growth mindset, not motivational fluff. It's survival strategy, not to prove yourself to others, but to prove to yourself that you are a force to be reckoned with. That moment taught me something very important. I am more than enough, and I get to decide my worth, not somebody else. Not fitting into somebody else's box doesn't make you stupid. It makes the box too damn small. Because when someone judges a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it doesn't mean the fish is incapable. They're revealing the limits of their own imagination, trapped in the comfort of shallow waters. So, remember, you are a fish trying to climb a tree because you are going to tree house yourself. And you're going to show people that trees are meant for climbing. So I encourage you, be a tree climbing fish. Tree house yourself.